Whether electric fireplaces need ventilation is a common and important question. In fact, electric fireplaces do not require ventilation because they do not burn any fuel, so they do not produce any harmful gases or smoke, and do not need to be vented through a chimney or exhaust vent. The heating principle is the conversion of electricity into heat energy without any combustion reactions. Additionally, electric fireplaces have many advantages, such as easy installation and the ability to be placed almost anywhere, as well as easy maintenance. There is no need for regular cleaning or inspection, they have low operating costs, and their design is modern and powerful. Equipped with a remote control, you can control the intensity and color of the flames. Overall, electric fireplaces provide an attractive and practical heating method without the need for complex ventilation structures.
Impressive Flame, a Chinese fireplace manufacturer, offers products like electric, bioethanol, and gas fireplaces, along with mantles and accessories. All products comply with international standards. We provide customized services, including OEM and ODM, and have our own design capabilities. Our efficient manufacturing process ensures quick and reliable delivery by sea or air freight. Interested? Leave a comment or visit our website. We respond within 12 hours, ensuring your information remains confidential.